Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video where I am going to be bottling up a little mini haul from Chase Ray Creations. We have some of the glitters from the mystery Christmas bundle, and we also have the latest sub box that we will be adding in to our bottles. I was going to do a short little reel, but I know how much y'all enjoy these videos because I show these glitters all in close-ups. So let's do it. So these are the last colors from the sub box. We have Zephyr, Charisma, Meraki, and Juliet. Look at how pretty these are and how good they go together. Could definitely use these for all seasons. And then we have all the ones that come in our Christmas bundle. Now this also had some rhinestones and a mica in it. Let me see. Here we go. Here are the rhinestones. We used both of these in a tutorial already. So on Thin Ice and Gold Mine was, maybe we didn't use Gold Mine. Oh, it's so pretty. And if you hear that rumbling in the background, I have my Harvest Right freeze dryer going on in the other room, and it's kind of obnoxiously loud when you're real close to it, so I'm sorry. Okay, all of these colors have been individually released. So they are available on the Chase Ray Creations website. It's chaserayglitter.com. This is Hallmark Movie. There. Whoops, made a mess. I always do. That's okay. Five golden rings. And I know it has been a minute since I posted a tutorial, and I plan on posting one before Christmas using our Glamour Tribe Glam Box. That's where these vinyls in the background are actually for. This is 12 new chapters, 365 new chances from Glamour Tribe, and this is 54321, if y'all are curious. So I will be featuring that in a tutorial soon. But everything else is going to come after the first of the year because my work has just, oh my gosh, I didn't show you guys this one. One of the most beautiful gold glitters ever. My work has been awful. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's been a 12. And I've got the shakes already this morning, and it is 8:31. I have been working from like 5 in the morning till 7:30 in the afternoon for the past week. So this is Cookie Exchange. I work in insurance, and it's, I mean, of course, it's kind of demanding at all times. And around the holidays, a lot of people don't pay their insurance premiums. So we have a lot more work than usual. This is Iceberg. Plus, I don't get sick, vacation, holiday time. Of course, we have the mandatory holidays, but as far as like next week, Christmas week goes, or New Year's, this is beautiful. And this is an opal, so whenever you put this on top of the different colors, it's going to reflect different tints or different hues. But I don't get sick vacation time, so anytime I want a couple of days off, I have to look ahead at what task I have scheduled for those dates, and I also have to work those too. There's a lot that goes into it, and usually the week before I have my time off is just insanely chaotic. I'm not going to get all of this in here. So that is where I have been. I've been glued to my island in my kitchen, working away. I'll set that to the side so we can use it later, because it's not all going to fit in this bottle. Ooh. Peace on earth. Look at all those colors. This is a really great gold if you're going to be using a holographic vinyl, or if you have really colorful decals and you're doing a peekaboo, this would be a beautiful one to use for like a spring peekaboo, because you can see all of the colors in the gold glitter, and they will go so good with some really colorful florals or decals. Winter Blues. Oh yeah. Can't really see it. Well, yeah, I think you can. It almost has like a turquoise shift to it, or a minty color. Maybe a little purple, some silver in there. That is beautiful. And there's lots of fine glitter in there as well, so you're gonna get really, really, really good coverage. Okay, so that is all for the Mystery Winter Bundle. Now let's move on into this month's glitter pack. Juliet. Juliet is a light mint color with silver and opal. Yeah, some silver and gold, or maybe pink shifting opals in there. You'd probably want to use this on top of either a white or a mint matching base. You can really see the shift of the opals right there. It's like a goldish pink shift. Rocky. Obviously will pair very well with Juliet. This is a fine 0.015 cut. Actually, this might be 0.08. Yeah, 0.008. I'm not a huge fan of the extra fine glitters, but when I do use them, what I really like to do is pair them with a chunky mix, because this if this didn't have all of the fine glitter in there to help with fillers, this would be a good filler to put on top of a chunky glitter. And it's also nice to do, you can use this on the top or the bottom for like a waterfall, or you can put it in the middle for a burst and then fill in the rest of the areas with Meraki, and they will blend incredibly well. That's when I like to use these really fine glitters. Charisma. This is beautiful purple with a holographic glitter mixed in. Another one that would be really, really pretty for spring. And it even has shards in it. Look at that. Ah! I made a mess. But it's so pretty. This glitter is super fluffy. So, this is a beautiful glitter, but if you use it, this is one that you would need to apply or want to apply using the epoxy method so you can get it to stick really, really well. And then you want to go over it with a chip brush to brush off any of the excess little tiny pieces that will be covering up the chunky pieces. That will help get a really clear view of the glitter instead of these larger chunky pieces being obstructed with those tiny ones on top, making it appear like micro bubbles. So look at how pretty that is. Oh yeah. Zephyr. I think I'm going to be wearing Charisma all day long. Another super fine that would be wonderful paired with a chunky or a chunky mix. And this appears to be, yes, it is an opal as well, so you can put it on top of any color base to change it and alter it to the color that you'd like. Alright, and that is all, guys. Like I said, all of these colors have been individually released on the ChaseRayGlitter.com website, and you can use BBB15 to save 15% off of your glitter order. Definitely follow Chase Ray on Facebook or Instagram or both so you can keep up with additional sales on top of that. She does have them all the time, and she does mystery bundles and the monthly glitter box. So that is it. That is all for today. If I'm not back on here before Christmas, which I hope I am, but you know how that goes. If I'm not back before Christmas, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas. That is all for today. We'll see you next time.